Hey everyone, welcome to our video, Bagless versus Bag Vacuum Cleaner. A topic that has sparked numerous discussions among homeowners. Were you confused about which type of vacuum cleaner is right for you? Well, worry no more. In this video, we will compare bagless and bag vacuum cleaners, dissecting their features, advantages, and disadvantages. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which option suits your cleaning needs. So, let's begin our exploration of bagless versus bag vacuum cleaners. Please check the description link, I will provide detailed information. Bagless vacuum cleaners. Let's start by examining bagless vacuum cleaners. As the name suggests, these cleaners don't require disposable bags for collecting dust and debris. Instead, they use a dust canister that needs to be emptied regularly. Bagless vacuum cleaners offer convenience, as you don't have to buy replacement bags. They also provide visible dirt collection, allowing you to see when the canister needs emptying. However, they can be messier to empty, releasing dust particles back into the air. Let's move on to explore the bag vacuum cleaners. Now, let's shift our focus to bag vacuum cleaners. These cleaners use disposable bags to collect dirt and debris. Bag vacuums are known for their excellent dust containment, preventing the release of particles back into the air during disposal. They are particularly beneficial for allergy sufferers or individuals with respiratory sensitivities. However, bag vacuum cleaners require regular bag replacements, which can increase maintenance costs over time. Functionalities. When it comes to functionalities, both bagless and bag vacuum cleaners offer a range of features. Bagless models often come with cyclonic technology, which enhances suction power and separates fine dust from the air. On the other hand, bag vacuum cleaners may include HEPA filters, which efficiently trap allergens and improve indoor air quality. Consider your cleaning needs and the features that matter most to you when deciding between the two. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.